Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and there is a big news which is coming here from Deloitte. So Deloitte has again started sending the slot booking mail. Friends, you already know the exam is planned on 4th and 3rd and 4th of Feb, right? Now the new slot booking mail, you will be able to book the slots on 5th of Feb also. We will try to understand the reason. Many of the students know they were facing issues in booking the slots. So now with this mail, they should be able to book the slot, because this was, after selecting this, it was coming disabled. Okay, so they were not able to book. So that also might be one of the reason. Okay, and the exams are happening in 2 slots per day. So you could see 3rd Feb, 4:30 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. We will try to understand each and everything. Some of the student has already booked the new slot. See, old slot 4, 7:30 p.m. 4th of Feb 2026. New slot 6, 7:30 p.m. 5th of Feb 2026. As every day there are 2 slots are there. So starting from 3rd of Feb, correct? Okay. Now friends, okay. So 3rd of Feb, okay. So now what we will try to see here is, so 3rd of Feb we have 4:30 p.m. slot, 7:30 p.m. slot, okay. So this is slot 1, slot 2. Then 4th of Feb, so we have 4:30, that is slot 2, and then 7:30 slot 4. So this is the reason they have written slot 4, slot 6, okay. Now, so friends, before I move ahead and tell you some more detail, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and like the video also here. We really put lot of effort, and your one like will definitely motivate us. And we have started, the one shot videos, which everyone was commenting that, sir, we want one shot videos of aptitude reasoning, we want one shot videos of technical MCQs, and we want one shot videos of coding questions. So all those things we have already started. So please go and watch the video right now, and we are going to add more PYQs. So please do subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. Okay, now, so many other students are asking, sir, already I have booked the slot. Now I have got a slot, where I could choose the new slot. So my recommendation will be, if you have already got the, if you already booked and then got the email to update the slots, okay, then please go ahead and book the new slot. Okay, see, always you should avoid writing exam on the first day, because if there is any change in the questions or type of questions, you will not be aware. What if Deloitte suddenly introduce some game based kind of questions, and which you are totally unaware, then you will not be able to perform well in the examination. This exams is happening online. Okay, this exams is happening online. So at your home, from your comfort of your home, you will be able to write the examination. So 3rd of Feb, one exam date. Okay, 4th of Feb, another exam date, and now the new phase has started. The new basically date is 5th of Feb. So some of you, those who were facing problem with respect to booking the slots, now I think you will be able to book the slots on 5th of Feb if you have received the email. If not, you will have to send an email to Deloitte, okay, that you are not able to book the slot, kindly help. Okay, so they have given here the email ID. The email ID is support, right? So this is basically on Hire Pro platform. So support at hirepro.in. Okay, so here you send out the mail if you have any doubt. Okay, so my recommendation will be, you can book the new slot. Okay, that is fine. Next thing, friends, see, if your exam is on 5th of Feb, and if you really want to see, Deloitte is, I'm telling you, Deloitte is one of a very good company, top MNC, I will say. See, Infosys 3.6, TCS 3.6, Cognizant 4. So from all these companies, Deloitte is the best company. Their work culture, their progress, their work, everything is very, very good. You can search on Google, yeah, if you don't believe me, no problem at all. So you can search on Google, you will find that Deloitte is one of the top company, and I don't want you to regret at any cost. 2 days is there. 2 days you will be able to cover the previous year question. 2 days you will be able to cover the important topics like data interpretation, permutation, combination, probability. So in 2 days you can still cover a lot of things. 2 days you will be able to cover technical MCQs. So testing, cyber security, there are a lot of things are there which even you are not aware. So please go ahead with that and get the job at any cost. Put all the efforts. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best.